This is the BA motorcycle cover or bike cover or motorbike cover or whatever. This thing is nice and quality made of polyester, weatherproof, waterproof. Also has ultraviolet protection so that it keeps the sun's harmful rays out of it. On the bottom, you can see it's got like the scrunchy material, so it's gonna wrap around your bike and just keep it nice and tight. Plus you can clip it together at the bottom, and you have little holes to put rope through to even make it more tight or hold it down. Let's just have a look at what it looks like on my awesome hot pink motorbike. So now that it's all on there, it's gonna keep it safe from the elements. It's gonna keep it safe from the rain, the snow, the really powerful and hot sun. It's gonna do all of that because it's that good. And BA Moto, they know how to make quality stuff for your bikes. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.